So, missed the live strike, but here is my first ever mangrove jack, only a bubba, but ticks a box and I'm so happy. Finger mark. Get it over the kayak, mate, before it falls off. I think Simon's got one too, no?
He's gone.
Quick release. Come on, what are you? Oh, big cod. Come on, buddy.
That's on Gary.
Come on up your mouth again. Thank you. Oh, nice one. Look at that. That was close. Rightio. Put the alarm off. Nice little screenshot. Coughed up a whole ton of crap as he came up too. Oh. Oh, that was lucky. He's just pinned, eh? That was a better fight. I thought it was a flathead because it stayed low. Simon! Off you go, buddy. Staying deep. Haven't seen it yet. Come on. Staying. When I say deep, the water's not very deep anyway. Doesn't want to come to the surface. There's a tail. Missed that. Don't go under. Oh, another big cod. When I say big, I don't mean huge. Definitely legal though. So we can do this in one hit today. Yep. Bigger than yesterday. There we go, look at that. Not bad. That little Savage Gear lure's doing the trick all week. Wee, what's that? Little brim. Hit it like a freight train. you just hooked me. Should let you fight a bit longer, eh? I think it's another cod, staying deep, not fighting like the brim did. Gonna be a pull on it, yeah, it's another codly. Just a bubba. So we're gonna lay him this way. Alright, he doesn't want to come home yet. Drag him into the rocks. This side, buddy. Gotcha. Number 3 for today. Doing well. Don't do that. Yeah, you're good.
How's it different? You're catching fish, no one else is.
I was gonna say there's not as many bait fish flicking around. I think it's another cod the way it's swimming. Although, no, it's jumping around too much.
Nice one, Garrett.
Taking me for a tow. Yeah, swimming very different to anything else I've caught. Just the way it's moving around. Oh, trevally.
Nice.
Yeah, it's trevally. Come on, don't spit those hooks, you bugger. Oh, really need the lip grips. There we go. That's a decent trevally.
Be happy with that.